is pretty much the home screen of the drama series application. As you can see, a lot of drama series for this application here, and you do have the option to tap on view all to see all that they have on this application. Not much, a very few drama series are drama series which you can watch. Any one of them you may choose to watch, just select that option and it will pretty much load up that drama series here, as you can see. And you pretty much will have the option to go into the episode section, add it as your favorite list, which pretty much as your favorite. You can scroll and see all the drama series as well. And do keep in mind, if you may not be seeing this due to their privacy policy, it will just black out everything. I don't know why, but once I do tap on the episodes option, you'll be able to see this over. So some of these episodes will be for free. The ones without the lock icon pretty much will get for free. And if I do tap on the ones with the lock icon, I will need a subscription to pretty much unlock that episode. But if I don't have a subscription and as well can use or pretty much watch an ad, as you can see, to get the episode unlocked. So it doesn't work all the time, so do keep that in mind as well. So once you do get your subscription, you get access to all the episodes without needing to purchase credits or whatever the case is. So that's pretty much it for that there, and you can tap in the bonus option down here to get free credits, which you can then use to unlock episodes as well. So you pretty much can watch ad to gain coins. As you can see here, you can total price of daily coins. As you can see, it's about 500 coins for just watching a few ads, logging in, checking in with the application. You do get free coins. So in the profile section here, this is what we're going to get your subscription. As you can see, it up on the premium option, and it will show you the subscription that they offer. As you can see here, get the yearly subscription and a weekly subscription. And all of those entails unlocking all episodes for well, not free, but unlocking all episodes. As well, you do get the option to purchase coins, which you then in return can use to purchase or unlock episodes. So episodes can pretty much range from 20 coins to 100, I would say. So that's pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And if you still don't understand, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you. Don't forget to use the search option here to search for drama series as well. See you in the next one.